Good morning, Legion. It's now 1 week after NearCon, and I have to say people are starting to pay attention to the many different Near announcements. From Near.com to Confidential Intents to Ironclaw, you can feel the momentum in our current moment, and whether that lasts or not because of larger geopolitical events doesn't actually matter. What matters right now is that Near is finally becoming seen as a revenue-generating project that straddles the two most exciting industries in the world, crypto and AI. Our first story today on that topic is just about that. Listen in as Dan Moorhead of Pantera Capital talks about the relationship between agents and crypto.
And you also said you don't know whether OpenAI, Anthropic, or xAI will win the AI race, but you're certain they'll use crypto. How might that look like in practice?
Yeah, I think that's a super important point that AI agents aren't going to go down the street to a Ionic column marble bank and get a normal bank account and transact in paper money. They have to use electronic money. As AI agents become more impactful, they have to use blockchain assets, and that will just increase the demand for blockchain assets.
We, in your view, in the coming years are going to have AI agents act in a fiduciary or financial capacity on our behalf?
It's already happening. AI agents are doing commerce. It's spinning up very quickly.
Are they using crypto or are they using USD?
No, they have to use crypto. Most AI agents will have to use crypto because they won't be backed by entities that can go get bank accounts for paper money.
In his words, crypto provides the financial rails for AI agents to exchange value online. As AI adoption grows exponentially, he believes crypto demand will follow naturally. That is a net bullish statement from also a backer of Near. Next up, probably one of the most interesting reads on how AI could tank the global economy in the future and lead to a cyclical deflationary spiral with mass unemployment of white-collar workers. The thesis of the authors is actually quite interesting, that white-collar workers are the consumption base of the economy. So if they get automated, it's net bearish for the economy, and as more people get laid off, more companies will turn to AI to protect themselves and save money, which in turn reinforces the cycle of decline. The full report was discussed at length in the most recent All In podcast this past weekend. We highly recommend checking that podcast out and reading the report as well. Last but not least, folks, if you want some early alpha, head over to community.ironclaw.com. The Near Legion is collaborating with the Near AI team and is going both digital and IRL in the coming weeks once Ironclaw is ready for prime time. We've said this before and we'll keep saying this again. Now is the opportunity to burn the midnight oil, work late, work weekends, and skill up on AI because the future will be determined by those who can use AI and those who cannot. Nirvana waits for us. We'll do this all again real soon.